Hey, this will be a video chart on SFIO, quite the popular chart the past few days. Had quite a few questions come in on it today with kind of the wild action it had. What we're looking at here is the 60-minute chart, and all that means is that each one of these bars represents 60 minutes worth of price action as opposed to what you would normally see, which is usually a daily chart. So instead of each one of these candlesticks representing one day, it's just 1 hour, and I wanted to do it from this time frame just so people can see. I think it does more of a better job of kind of breaking down what's been going on and what we want to see continue to happen. Clearly, rough day right here, or rough couple hours, big time volume here, but this is what looked like has been the capitulation day, meaning that whatever was causing the sell-off is pretty much done with here, because then you can see the next couple periods, the price got moving again, and it has now started to put in higher lows, which is what we want to see it be doing. So what do I mean by the higher lows? Well, like I just pointed out, this was the low area down here, and then you can see the price moved up, and then on the most recent pullback, you can see the lowest it went was right there, and then today, after it got hit by this 50 period simple moving average, which is the resistance, you can see that it's working on trying to put in another new higher low, which is right up here. So use your imagination a little bit, and we can see that the price has started to form some stair steps, and that's what we want to see. Ideally, the rest of this week we want to see this price level right here hold as support, which is based at 0.018. If it doesn't, not the end of the world. Doesn't mean that the chart's toast in history again. But if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the best in terms of attractiveness going forward, I would point out this level right here and say, if this level can hold, that would really make this chart look stronger and stronger. But if this level can't, then I would almost say that the kind of must hold level is going to be down here at this next level of support, which is based at 0.013. And the reason I'm calling this a must hold, let me get this changed to green, make it a little thicker to represent it being an important level, is because if this level doesn't hold, then in my opinion it's just going to head right back down to where it was down here. And yes, these are support levels, but I'm sure I speak for quite a few people that nobody wants to see it head all the way back down here after this progress it's made. So that's why I'm going to make this the must hold level. But technically, this would actually be the must hold, because it could technically have a double bounce, but just knowing people in psychology of things, nobody wants to see it head all the way back down here. So I'm going to make at least in my analysis, the 0.013 area right here the must hold level of support. In terms of resistance levels, pretty much already touched on that. The key one right now that the price needs to get above is this 50 period simple moving average. You can see the price headed up here this morning and then just couldn't quite do it, and now has since pulled back. But going forward, any sort of closes above this moving average are going to be a nice sign of strength for the bulls. So that is where the chart currently stands. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was SFIO. Thanks for listening.